Recipes. I'm Kevin. Hey, and tonight we're just going to cook up some chicken. We're going to make some chicken bites. We're going to make Meat Church honey bacon barbecue chicken bites. We're going to use this seasoning on the chicken bites. Very simple recipe. And then I'm going to make some asparagus to go with it. And man, the only thing you need on an asparagus is some olive oil, some garlic. I'm going to use our salt, pepper, garlic. And I got a special olive oil bottle tonight. That's right, olive oil in the olive oil bottle. This is from Tom Garvey, the keto cook, and his wife Marie. Tom drank the wine, Marie painted olive oil. Pretty sweet, huh? Thank you so much, you guys. I really appreciate this. This will be cherished. This will be used. It's actually sitting on our counter in the kitchen on display. So tonight for my asparagus, I'm going to use some olive oil, and this is the perfect time. I will put links to Tom and Marie's channels. They both have channels. Tom's a cook. Marie tells stories. Probably going to be some pretty good Halloween stories coming up real soon too. So check out her channel. Again, links will be below. Let me get inside. I'll show you what I do with the chicken. We'll be right back out. Okay, this is super simple. I'm going to use my edge keeper knife, and we're just going to chunk up the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Super easy to do. I'm just using 3 little chicken breasts. And once you get them all cut up into bite-sized pieces like this, I am going to add these to a gallon baggie and add 1/3 cup of cornstarch. And then once I get it mixed up really well, I'm going to dump it onto my tray. No extra cornstarch. I'm going to put some Meat Church honey bacon barbecue rub on this. It's not going to stick real well, so I'm just going to put a little bit, mix it up. We'll take it outside and get it cooked up. Okay, how easy is that? I just chunked up the chicken. I put some cornstarch on it. I put a little bit of the honey bacon barbecue rub on it. I'm going to also add it as we're cooking to give it a little more of that flavor. I've got our asparagus right here for the olive oil. Thanks again, Tom and Marie. Let's get this cooked going. All right, my oil is smoking hot. All right, this should be a fairly quick cook. Just going to add our chicken on there. Hoping that cornstarch will give us a little bit of a crunch. Look at that. This is a hot griddle. We need to add some olive oil right there. I'm going to put some of that. Let me just tilt this a little bit. We're going to add our olive oil right here. Put a little bit down, we'll add a little bit more. Chicken's cooking up pretty fast. I need to get my asparagus on there. The SPG going. Like lots of garlic, so that'll be good. Back to this chicken. And we're going to put some more of this honey bacon barbecue on it. Sounds good to me. All right, let's get these off. All right, there you go. Meat Church honey bacon barbecue chicken bites with some asparagus with the olive oil, with olive oil in my olive oil bottle from Tom, the Keto Cook, and Meg. Once again, there's olive oil. Isn't that awesome? Thanks again, guys. Look at that. All right, let's try this. All right, and there you go. Super quick, super easy. Whoa, slippery little sucker. There you go. Honey barbecue meat churches. Honey barbecue rub. Little chicken bites. See how it is. Perfectly done. Those got a really good flavor. All right, hey, that rub's pretty good. And of course, asparagus with just olive oil, SPG, that's all it needs. Look at that barbecue rub on there. Very awesome, very awesome. All right, we're gonna get in. We're gonna eat this up. Hey, thanks for watching. Super quick cook on the Blackstone Griddle. Meat churches, honey bacon barbecue. I'll get it right one of these days. Got some olive oil on my asparagus from Tom and Marie. Hey, I just thought I'd come back out here. You know, sometimes I think about doing this all the time, but it's kind of like afterthoughts. You know, the initial taste test, it tastes really good, but man, I got to tell you, when you sit down and have the meal, oh, those chicken bites were amazing. And I'm not kidding. Sometimes the simplest cooks are the best. The crust on that chicken really held the flavor of that honey bacon barbecue rub. And I'm just putting my stuff away. Anyway, if you get a chance, don't know what to do with some chicken breasts that you have, give this a try. They're very delicious. Everything was outstanding. The asparagus, that was jalapeno, cheddar jalapeno noodles, and some tomatoes from the garden. So anyway, give it a try if you get a chance. We'll see you on the next video. Thanks for joining. Have a great night.